Quiet in the morning, heartbeats holding breath, dust on all my worries, I still read from stress. Then a whisper in the silence, like it's calling out my name. Every heavy thing inside me starts to shake. King of the glory is coming, can you feel? Fire in the lungs, something breaking, something real. Every chain around my soul turning to steel that snaps. King of the glory is coming, can you feel? Can you feel him pull you back?